Good evening, good evening, good evening. It's AKA Mixed Fishing Adventures. We're at a place, I don't even know what this place is called. But we're going for Jewies. Yesterday I had some fun. I'm gonna be putting that up. Yesterday we got about 5 Jews and it was pretty good, all legals, but we went to the wharf today and it was totally packed. So we're at this wharf, and I don't think there'll be any difference between this wharf and any other wharf. But yeah, we'll give it a go, and we're gonna catch some Jews, and I'll show you what bait I'm using and how I'm doing it all. So stay tuned. All right, got Ronnie here, getting the yuccas for us. So full of yuccas everywhere. Put it a bit down more. Like, yeah, throw it out and let it sink so it disappears. Watch, and you'll grab one. So many yuccas here, but they're being used. I use pillies to get them, but I didn't want to get my hands dirty that much, so I thought I'd get chicken, because last night we were getting a lot on chicken. But yeah, that's it. Oh, took the hook. That was a fucking tailor.
Yeah, took the hook.
So we've got one thrown out now, and I've got one here ready to scream, so hopefully we get some screamers. But yeah, we to be continued. Alright, we're going for Jewies, right? Look, like I said in my past videos, this is the way I go for Jewies. Everyone has their different ways. I'm not trying to teach the experienced ones, obviously, but it's good to show how I get yakkers, I get Jewies. Other people probably do the same thing, but it's successful. So I'm here to try to teach people that don't know how to get big Jewfish and etc. So I've got caught a yakka here. So I've got these split shots. These obviously got braid there, and it's got a big sinker, star sinker, okay? Swivel from 40-pound line, one hook, yellowtail through the back. That's all you got to do is cast it out. So when you're in deep water, anywhere along Parramatta River, in the harbour, that's all you got to do. Get a decent sized rod, cast it out, not too far, let it drop to the bottom, let the line go down, 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 down. So it's stopped. Place it somewhere because you don't want to lose the rod. So some wharfs have little places to stick him in. Make sure the rod's secure, so it's not going to go anywhere. Make sure your drag's on, so when the line pulls, it's not going to go into the water. Hear that noise? That's what you want to hear. So my rod's out, 2 rods are out, and hopefully I can get one in for you. Yesterday we got about 5, it was brilliant, good day. Actually quite angry, not angry, but I was at this wharf, I was with a few boys, my rod was out, it was a bit quiet, I didn't really like this spot, but I know it produces, but I never got anything big there. My rod's out. I've decided, I don't know what came across my brain, but I wanted to go to another wharf. So I left my mate there with my rods out, baits out there, left everything to go down the road to get some squid at the wharf down the road. So while I'm gone, I left 3 minutes, got in my car, went. When I got back, he lost the biggest Jewie, all on film. He lost it, it was huge, it would have been over 20 kilos. I'm not exaggerating by saying I know how big it was. We didn't get to see it, but it was a Jew, the head shakes, etc., how it was moving, how it was running. He got it to the surface. Actually, I got this video, you'll see it coming up. It will come up very, very soon. You'll see the video of it when he lost it, right at the end, because they go for a big run at the end. When they start getting closer, they go for a big run, and they start coming in and in and in, but as soon as they get closer to the wharfs, they freak out and they start wanting to go down or out. And exactly what it did, in a pop 40-pound leader, like butter. So that's a big fish, and I do my nights very, very well. So I know that was between 15 and a 20 up. So hopefully we get a Jewfish tonight to show you. I know some people are commenting saying my videos weren't long enough. Look, I've got some videos that are short and some videos that are long, you know. It's pretty, I'm trying to make the best videos I can. I'm not really trying to make the best videos, but I'm trying to make some fun videos that people can watch. But to be continued, and hopefully, I'm pretty sure we will get a Jewy tonight. Hopefully we'll bring in one so you can see it. Cheers. Oh, this one, always on the light gear. There it is, isn't it? Wow. He's not huge, he might be just legal. But lately, the Jews have been on fire in the harbour. Wow. Oof.
Good head shakes.
Yeah. I just upgraded my line to still got 10 pound on the twin powers. I just upgraded to 12 pound fluorocarbon in case something bigger takes it, and I might have a chance. I should be okay with this one, unless he's just, it doesn't feel too heavy. Jewfish are very, they take a big hit at the start, and then they just tend to, he'll take another run before he gets into the actual, up to the surface. See, taking another run now, here we go. Like I said, when the closer they get, just trying to get me around the pole. It's already making that croaking noise. They make a funny little croaking noise when they... Take it easy, buddy. Take it easy. Oh, line just snapped as soon as I got it in.
Did it?
Yeah. So I said it would probably be legal. It's a little bit under, I think. But the line just snaps as soon as I hear that noise. See if he makes it. They make this creaking noise. You gotta feel bad when they do that, you know. See this? I'll tell you another thing. Whenever you grab the fish, that layer there, always put your hand into there. Because if you put your hand underneath there, your fingers are gone. See you later. There's in there gills, there's actually gill ratio. I think what's that what it's called. But they're underneath there. And if you put your fingers under there, he'll chomp down. That's what he just did then. Oh, did you see that? I put my finger out, he tried to grab it. Alright, we'll put this guy back in. That is about maybe 60 centimeters. He's gone. Swim another day. That's, how many is that? 3. So we're going alright, we just need the bigger ones. So hopefully the bigger ones will come. Took a big run.
Talk, Mick, talk.
Took a nice
What
run.
happened today evening? What's happening?
It's coming. It's not big. Still a Jew.
Don't let it go down. Don't let him go down. It's going down. Lift it, lift it. Yes, man. Yes. Like the same, mine one. Beautiful. Beauty, beauty, man, beauty.
Gee. What a night it's been. Lost the big one. Lost the big one. He got one. Everyone got one.
I got one. My friend got one. Got up. Lift it careful. Take your time, mate. Take your time. Take your time and give it straight away. Beauty. Beauty.
Smaller than yours.
No worries. Never mind. God gave you or not. This is important.
There he is.
That's it. It's fair. God is fair, man.
So what do you got on there, Mick?
I have no idea what this is, eh? It's not fighting. Oh, it's not fighting like a Dewey. Oh, what the fuck is this?
It's a Jewy.
Got a baby Dewey.
So he swam across all the lines.
Yep. Bastard.
Yeah, he got my line too. That's why my line was jumping.
Sorry again, my brother.
That's alright.
Another small little soapy. Far out. They really made a mess of these little ones, don't they? Oh gosh. Anyway, hopefully big one. All right. It's 4 o'clock and we haven't had any more runs, so we're going to pack up. But I'm going to leave you with the runs I had. I'm going to leave you with what happened yesterday when I was fishing at the wharf, and I decided to leave my mate at the wharf with my rods, 2 of my rods out, and had some yakkers on there, and I went to go to the next wharf down to catch some squid, and my rod took off, and yeah, it was at least, tell me what you think of the video. I don't know, it was a big fish. It snapped him right at the end. It was just crazy. So after this one you'll see us catching a couple of Jewies. Yes, that was yesterday, and on the last video you'll see the monster Jew that snapped the line, snapped 40 pound leader. So tell me what you think about it. Might not be small. I got off, man.
No.
Yes. Oh no, it's on. Might be swimming towards you.
You reckon?
Lift. Oh, big flathead. Oh, wow. Wow.
My line.
Wow.
Shit line. This is off or on?
Come this way. Up the steps.
No.
Wow. Well, don't let it get the head out of the water.
Huh?
Don't let it get its head out of the water.
Yep.
Alright.
Where?
Bring it to the steps. Bring it to the shallow part. Here, wait. Hold it there, just take it easy.
Did you take me?
Yeah. What a monster. Oh, no. No, and I'm trying.
That's it.
What a monster. Crocodile. Wow.
I was telling you I will take a run.
Oh, it didn't. It got hooked on its mouth,
What?
so it's good.
Hmm?
It got hooked on its on the top lip, so it's good.
Take me here.
Woo.
Thank you, bro.
No worries. This one, nice one, man. Come on. You got to come and lift it up. Hold this.
1 minute.
Wait, I'll show the viewers how big this
Huh?
sucker is. How do you turn this?
No. It's going down. Oh, the phone. Don't make it. Stop it. Stop it.
When did that change?
Female. Oh, the rod. Oh no, this is male. Oh, whose rod is this? Take it.
خليك
لا لا فيديو فيديو.
طيب هات جيب امسك
امسك يحيى امسكها يحيى
رول خليه يروح
Let him run, let him run. You can't let him run.
Why?
سيبك
Let him run. خليه لا.
يلا.
خليه يروح.
لا خلاص يلا
Not too hard, not too hard. Not too hard. تامر, not too hard.
هيك يا زلمه
لف الرولات عمو
It's okay, cuz.
What are you gonna do? Crossing your line?
Bad luck. We're not worried about your line yellow.
I'm worried about you, bro.
I don't want him going around the yellow thing.
It's not gonna go. That's it, it's hooked. It's already hooked.
Hey, who's got a net?
No need for it.
Guys, big one.
Yeah, you're gonna land it there, bro, right there.
Yeah.
I'll jump in the water.
You don't have to jump.
I don't
No, no, no.
Once they come to the top, they lay on the side, bro.
شوف
That's a squid.
No, that's not.
What's that monster?
Yeah. That's a Jewfish. Yeah, really? A small one, baby. Yalla, I'm tired. My hand is tired.
Don't worry, don't worry.
I'm
I
joking.
don't want to cut the line.
Yes,
no,
that's
I'm
good.
bring it slowly because I know his leader is light.
Strong. No, it's strong. It's strong. Let him run. Tامر.
No, good. It's coming. This is big one. Be careful my phone.
No, don't worry about it, phone. It's not gonna fall down, man.
He's gonna freak out if he gets this up.
But I want you to pick up your rod. Your rod is tangling. Your rod is
I don't
tangling too.
care. I don't care about the rod.
My mobile, boy.
I know.
He's tangled all the lines.
Of course, can tangle all the lines.
Yeah, he's here. He's
I don't
close.
care. Bring him.
Guys,
Bring him.
he's close. Nobody has a net?
Net? Yeah, I have net, but in the home.
Yeah, Jiba, your horse. No, Armin. Some Jiba, your horse. Don't worry.
Pull it, man. You can pull it.
I don't want to pull it and then pull that line.
Okay.
You understand what I mean? I don't want to pull
But
that.
you will come on the line.
Aram, this side.
Pull it, man. Please pull it.
He can't land. He's tangled with you already. لا كبيرة يا.
Cuz, don't pull it. Don't leave it. Down.
Okay, okay.
Hey, yours. It's gonna fall down. It's tangled already.
Close,
All the
guys.
lines tangled.
عم يسحب الاصوات.
Yeah, of course you're gonna run all of them. Doesn't
Go on
matter.
the other side, huh? He's gonna go for a run when you get him closer.
Yellowtail.
Cuz, you're right. Leave it down the way you have it. Yeah.
If I put tension, I'm only putting tension on your line.
Here, Ahmed.
You gotta get it up.
Up.
لا خليه هون.
دير بالك الخيط مع المتر.
ما تخليه يروح على فوق.
Wow, big one, guys.
Cuz, he had a big life on that.
Yeah, very big life, yeah.
I don't want him to go down the pole. He's gonna go for a run when he gets here.
والله الفرق هيبين كمان.
اه. يا هذا الفرق اللي اخذه من عندنا.
Don't let it go down.
Bring it from here.
Yeah, bring it here يا bring it here, don't scare.
اوكي ما بخليه.
ما تخاف. ما راح ينزل لا. He's a Jewfish, he's not.
لا بينزل اول.
ما تخليه ينزل.
يلا.
Shit, man.
Big one.
Whoa.
Oh!
No, still on.
He's still on?
No.
He's gone.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I
I know he's.